Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be talking to you about merging cells in Notion. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow what I have to say correctly, so you can know everything about merging cells in Notion. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Notion.so website and log into your account. After logging in guys and creating your first Notion, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the theme spaces that you have and all the pages that you have in your Notion and so on. So guys, if you look at the left side of the screen, you will see multiple options such as using the search bar, seeing your updates and so on. So we're going to use this page right here to go to our table that we have right here. I'm going to go ahead to travel plans. So as you can see here guys, here I have a simple table. I have a travel plans table and I have my name, I have my status, date, places and so on. So guys, what happens if I want to merge these two cells together so I can have the status and date in one same cell? So guys, as you can see, if you click on the cell that you want to merge, then you can see you have multiple options such as editing the property, filtering and so on. So if you click on edit property, here you can only answer what type of property it is and the options that it use. But guys, if we wish to merge these two cells, you cannot do it like this. And why is that guys? You can only make the cell bigger and so on. So why is this guys? Well, because Notion still hasn't implemented the option to merge cells. So we currently have no option to do it. There are multiple things that you can do to bypass this, such as make the cells as small as possible so that you can make them as close to each other so that they can seem like they're the same cell, or you can put them to the same value so they seem merged and so on. But currently guys, you cannot merge cells in a table in Notion. Currently is the way it is, but hopefully they will make it, they will fix that sometime in the future. So yeah guys, that's how you do it basically. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.